So I'm really going to be speaking primarily on Jamaica and agriculture, but I did want to briefly talk about the economic impacts regarding climate change, as the failure to effectively deal with the adverse outcomes of climate change can easily disrupt plans for sustainable economic development. And I really did want to point this out, as if you read just this brief paragraph, you'll see that 20% of Jamaicans do live in poverty. And because of the failure to export agriculture over the last several decades to provide the economic stimuli needed to promote economic growth and development, Jamaica, just like many other Caribbean islands, have just really been forced to rely on tourism. And it's just tourism as a aspect of climate change, again with carbon footprints and flights, is just really, really troubling. But back to agriculture. These are sweet potatoes. Clarendon is quite close to St. Anne, where my family is currently residing in Jamaica. And climate change is a major challenge to agriculture development in Jamaica due to the country's small landmass, fragile ecosystems, high dependence on food imports, and increasing impacts of frequent natural disasters such as hurricanes. And in the video that I'm going to share of my cousin speaking, he will talk about hurricanes and rainfalls and how it's falling for a longer period of time and for heavier amounts. And extreme climate events such as hurricanes and rainfalls and things like this. And it's just led to a significant negative influence on agriculture and agriculture as a sector in the country. And I think here I would like to show the video that I've sent in, please.
Hot winter now. Hot. In December, hot now. Yeah? Yeah, and it's very short. But when it comes to hurricane, we don't have much hurricane again. Mostly heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall.
So have you seen the weather change from when you was a little boy? And
yes, man, more heat now.
More heat.
Get hotter. Heavy spring hot. Spring hot, summer hot, hot, winter hot, 4 seasons hot now. So you compare yourself, you see, from the other day we had. The crops them there same way.
Crops are still same.
Yes, it is.
Is it so there's no less crops, more crops?
More crops.
Yeah, even though it's hotter.
If I remember, like majority of crops them like warmness, you know.
Okay.
Warmness.
But what about the rain? So the rain will fall. What does the rain fall for longer?
Yes, we fall for longer. For the last time we have it for 3 months straight.
3 months straight.
Yes, and we didn't even have it for 2.5 years straight. Rainfall every day. 2.5 years straight. Yeah, man.
All right.
And there, I just would like to add about the crops that is really independent to our area in Jamaica, which is St. Anne. And it is very high in the mountains and have very fertile soil and top layer soil. So the crops there, they have and the amount of water and rain that has fallen, but elsewhere in Jamaica, they have really struggled with crop yields.